Hi and welcome to the monthly video for February 2021. In the custom report, we've added the Vizlib Pie Chart and the Qlik native pie chart. The Vizlib Pie can also be changed to a donut and the legend can be controlled. The native pie has fewer options, but make sure to try using it in trellis mode to allow an extra dimension. In this mode, you can visualize 2 dimensions and 2 measures at the same time and get a great overview. In Teamwork, the main event is our new subscription feature. Subscribe to any conversation in Teamwork and never miss out on what your colleagues are saying. Get updates on each comment or settle for a daily or weekly summary, all just a couple of clicks away. The write-back table now allows multiple rows and text fields, but you should also consider using the form view functionality when you have larger amounts of data to input per row.
In Vizlib Button, we have added document chaining. Pick an app from the list, as well as a sheet. Choose if you want to pass selections to the new app. Let's make some selections in the app. When we use the button now, selections are made in the next app. The button is also working in Qlik Sense Mobile. In this example, we show changing of dimensions using Vizlib actions. Viztips are now available for Vizlib Sankey Chart. See drilled down details such as trends and KPIs for each node. We've set up other charts on the screen to reflect the data relating to each Viztip. In Vizlib Line Chart, we've added more functionality to the context menu. You can now choose if you want to allow your end users to enhance the line chart when in analysis mode. Users will be able to choose to show values on the chart, change representation, and add trend lines. With trend lines, we can show upper and lower limits as well as moving averages. I'm able to do all of this without opening the property panel, something easily done on desktop or iPad. In Vizlib Filter, you can now hide the dimension value text, leaving only images or icons, saving space in your Qlik Sense app. Gantt's new features introduce a super fast way to get started without adding my data from a project management system or even opening the properties. I can use the demo data option to quickly get started. I can then pick one of my templates to suit the data that I have to instantly style and set up my Gantt. If I have a longer project timeline, I can pick a Gantt that will easily accommodate projects that need to be visualized over a year period. I can also pick something more detailed that shows progress and header groups.
Thanks for listening and don't forget to follow us on social media.